Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get a zombie egg in Minecraft. First, if you are in creative mode, simply open your inventory and locate the zombie spawn egg. It's usually found in the Combat or Miscellaneous tab. Alternatively, you can use a command. Type /give at pminecraft, zombie spawn egg into the chat to instantly add one to your inventory. This is the quickest way to obtain it. Once you have the zombie spawn egg, using it is very straightforward. Select the egg from your hotbar, just like any other item. Then, simply right-click on the block where you want the zombie to appear. A single zombie will instantly spawn at that location, ready to interact with your world. You can spawn as many as you need, one at a time. It's important to understand what the zombie spawn egg actually does. This item specifically spawns a regular Minecraft zombie, the common hostile mob. It will not directly create a zombie villager, a drowned, or a husk. For those variants, you would need their specific spawn eggs or to transform a villager. The zombie will behave as usual, attacking players and villagers. Here are a few tips for using your zombie spawn eggs effectively. They are perfect for testing out mob farms, creating custom challenges, or populating an area for a map. Remember that zombies are hostile, so be prepared for combat, especially if you spawn many at once. Consider your game's difficulty setting, as this affects zombie behavior and strength. Have fun experimenting with your new zombie friends.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.